I think we're good. Everybody needs to get back.
Yep.
Well, come on.
Make me nervous.
It's like a chainsaw, but for dirt.
Well, it took under an hour to trench all of this. Cal did an awesome job with the trencher. Trencher did an awesome job. However, now I get to do some fun work. I got to get the post hole digger and dig a lot of this out because it didn't go. It's not all 42 inches deep, especially from here on up to the house. Starting up here to the milk house, we're good. We don't have to do any more work. But anyway, a whole lot better than doing it all by hand, that's for sure. Shouldn't have frozen water lines this winter. We're gonna put in a spigot up there by the gate, and then we are putting another spigot in over by a rabbit area, to the left of our rabbit area there. And that way we can have rotating pastures. We can have water on each side. So water will both pastures. What are you doing? It looks like he's buried. Did he get stuck in the dirt? Is this an awesome sandbox? Yeah. And a beautiful day. You got it! It's free! Bye-bye! We got the water line in now from the house. We had to drill a hole through the wall in the basement and got that hooked up to water, and Actually, no, we still need to do that. We just have the hole in the house, and the hose is pulled through. And we have a line all the way this way. We need to, or Kyle needs to make a T right here where we've got, we're gonna run line that way for a spigot number 2. And right here we've got spigot number 1. That's Marge. Oh goodness, we're moving along this morning. We learned never to sleep on a trenching job. We came out and this whole thing had caved in, and we had to dig it all out, and it just kept, you can see how wide it is. That's the width of that, and this is how wide it should be. So we had to dig a lot, and it just kept caving in, and that whole corner where it tees, that whole area wanted to cave in, so we had to work fast and get the line buried. But we've got line all the way from the house now down here, so you can see where it's coming off. So we've decided to take the fence down and trench right into the pasture area there, so we don't have to dig it by hand. That was all, this whole section where it stops up to that fence, that was going to be hand digging to where we were going to place our spigot. So we're going to work on trenching that now. Rubber boots do not keep your feet very warm. So I'm going in to get my nice work boots and leave Kyle to trenching for a little bit. Kyle's working on digging the hole under the milk house where the water's going to come in at. And when you come in the milk house, enter milk house. He has drilled the hole right here. Oh, I see white. You're a big helper, you know that? Are you helping fill in the trench?
Was that in your video?
Yes.
Okay, now can you move while Ty's gonna break your finger? Alright, this
You guys helping us fill in trenches?
is really cool to go in. I go in.
Are you saying that work can be fun, Ella?
It's awesome. I don't know.
Is it really deep?
We'll broke it. No, it's not. Kidding.
Okay, because you gotta be careful. If there's a deep spot, it's
Is it amazing?
very dangerous. Don't
Good?
clean up time. We're filling in the trenches. Lots of help.
I'm not done, Taya. I'm not done, Daddy.
Not yet, we got lots.
Bye-bye, Ditch Witch. Thanks for your help. Good job, Kyle. You can come on up and record it going into the thing, too. And all that work is paid off because we have running water.